got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep it?
Hey guys, okay, bad start of the week, but everything's okay now. As you can see, we've got the road in. Yeah, the Max put that in yesterday once the rain had stopped. That actually costs 38,000 baht to have that put in. They did in a day, so I'm quite pleased with. It's about 3 inches of stone on top, scraped first, then stone on top. So now we shouldn't have any problems getting access to site now. So let me show you around, okay, what they've done so far. Okay, so the kitchen area is all blocked in, ready. So we've just got to work out for where all the sockets and that are going on that wall. Window, yeah,ที่นี่เส้นเหมือนกันใช่โอเคเมตร60ไป1 เมตรโอเคออก20ใช่so from here นี่ออก20ใช่ and then เมตร60ใช่ in zoom ใช่ครับโอเคโอเคใช่เหมือนกันใช่ This is a teacher become bricklayer. Doing a good job. สนุกไหมสนุก Okay, so where the wall fell down. ใช่ So what we've done here, we've extended this to 20 centimeter, so it's all tied in. And then we've done a reinforcement all the way up. Make sure that doesn't happen again. This is the bathroom, ensuite. So we're going to be putting the wall in here for the shower area here. Then you've got the toilet and basin. Okay, นี่วันนี้นี่คุณทำใช่ไหมโอเคตัดออกผมเป็นคนดิดเส้นอ่ะได้โอเคนี่ก็เหมือนกันนี่ก็ดิดแล้วนะเดี๋ยวก็กอดน้ำนี่เลยใช่ so they say ที่นี่3 เมตร 30 zoom 3 เมตร 30ใช่ cause นี่มีฝานะมีฝาใช่เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงเดี๋ยวปากกา I think นี่ช่างรู้Okay, so we still got all the mesh to put on yet before they do the render, but I want the block work up. So we'll give the block a chance to all cure before do render. Okay, so this is the communal bathroom. There's no shower in here, so it's just toilet. You're right on hand basin here with a PowerPoint. So that's for that. Cinema room. So it's going to get windy now. So we're just finishing off this wall here. As you can see, they've got the ties and that. But they need to tie in at the top. And then starting on this wall today as well, so all this will be finished. So the second floor will be all blocked up today. First floor's already done, so tomorrow everyone's on the 3rd floor. So on the mud room, like the mud room. just finishing off the render. So even though they've been off work for a few days, while we've got the road and that, there's been a couple of guys coming in on the motorbikes and cracking on with the render on the inside. Okay. So there you go. Bit of a rub down, then a seal, then a primer. Looks like you can put a skim coat on. Tidy these edges up a bit more. So that's this room all just about done. So just got to do the render on there and up there. It's all taking shape. So I've already rendered this column and a grand job. And Min, the foreman, I've never known a foreman that works as well as give instructions, you know. Damn good guy. So he's done 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. He's still got one more to do down there. I sorted the staircase out because the staircase was narrow down here. So they've actually sorted all that out now. So that's all been poured. That can come out now. The board. It should have worked. Yeah, I need to put a good seal on that. A nice job. So 6 ton of sharp sand, 6 ton of fine sand. I think I need to order more stone. I've done the lintel work. I love the chute that we've done for tipping the rubbish. So this wall's been all rendered now. Wow, that is absolutely cock on. Yeah, well pleased with that. Once it's got a seal on and primed and that, and painted. Amazing. So far I've used about 12,000 blocks and we've still got maybe about 1,500 blocks still on the ground here now. Yeah, so I'm really chuffed with these guys. Done an amazing job. Once I put the seal on, and once I do the render and the seal, there'll be no more wet patches. Got all the light switches and socket here. So there's plenty of socket space for them if you want to do it like a work area. This one is just finished. Wow, he's just done these in the morning. Grand job. So we've just got this one to do now. Right, what they do here, they actually use like a raw, sort of like a raw cement with a little bit fine sand in, but more cement just to do these edges, you know. I mean, I know in Europe and the US and that, we use like a corner trim, like a stainless steel, galvanized steel trim to get the edging up, but here they just use the cement to get it nice and straight. Grand job. Same when I come to do the windows, exactly the same. So that, and then I'll just put the finish on the render. in Thai they call chap. Chap, C-H-A-P, chap. For render. So there we go. So here, this is the downstairs toilet. So they've got to do this after they're finished inside. So it's 2.9 meters out by about 1.8 meters out that way. So it's the same as pretty much the other bathrooms, you know, on the second floor. And then here, so there's all the block work to do here. So this is going to be a double door there, so you can actually come in this way in, and in the back there you've got the, well, here you'll have the water tanks. You've got all the pump and filter system there, you know. So okay, time กินข้าวอร่อยไหมกินอะไรโอ้เผ็ดโอ้ข้าวเหนียวชอบโอ้ลูกอร่อยมาก
Maka, you have lunch.
Oh no, I eat already. Thank you.